Thermal drones have quickly become one of the most valuable tools in modern policing. With platforms like the Matrix 40, officers can detect heat signatures, have greater situational awareness, and make safer decisions on calls. Hi, my name is Sam from Candrone's support team, and today we will discuss 5 ways law enforcement will use thermal drones. When a suspect flees into a wooded area of low-light environment, thermal imaging allows officers to track heat signatures from above. With a live feed streamed back to the command via DJI Flight Hub 2, supervisors can monitor the situation and even take control of the drone remotely. In most cases, suspects are unaware they've been tracked, which can slow movement and support a safer, more controlled arrest. Thermal drones are incredibly effective for locating missing persons. The thermal sensor can detect body heat and help search teams narrow down their search areas much faster. With built-in AI capabilities, officers can also identify, count, and pinpoint vehicles and individuals in real time. Thermal cameras can help locate discarded objects such as weapons that still retain heat. This is also valuable in accident reconstructions where heat signatures can highlight key evidence. Using the onboard laser rangefinder of the Matrix 40, operators can precisely pinpoint these items on the drone's map and relay exact coordinates to ground crews. Thermal drones improve visibility during nighttime operations, allowing officers to detect heat signatures even in complete darkness. Once a subject is identified with the Matrix 40's thermal sensor, operators can switch to the visual camera using the night scene mode to capture enhanced low-light imagery for clearer identification. Tools like the DJI Matrix 40 are helping law enforcement teams operate more efficiently and make better decisions in the field. As this technology continues to evolve, drones will only become more essential to modern policing. If you're looking to expand your department's capabilities, connect with our team to see how the Matrix 40 can integrate into your operations.